To construct a circle, tap the compass tool. A preview appears of a circle. Its center is glowing. Tap or drag to place it. I'll tap to place it here. Now the point on the circumference is glowing. I'll tap to place it here. The tool is complete. I can now drag either point to adjust the circle. To continue, I'll construct a second circle that shares the same center as the first. Again, I'll tap the compass tool. The center of my new circle is glowing. I'll tap the center of my first circle to attach the points. Now I'll place the other glowing point by tapping here. I now have two concentric circles.